If you want to be involved because the currency is going to change your life, then that's one thing. Use the currency for what it is intended for.
Hi, this is Tinoco, and I'm here right now in Singapore blockchain cruise event, and you can see that people are coming here behind me from different countries all over the world, and I'm representing Philippines for this event. Thailand, and we've just finished our day 2 of the blockchain Asia cruise event. So what do you say tell to people if someone asks you? You're just doing pump and dump, because there's some people in the social
fine.
media.
They can say what they want. Look at the coins I promoted. Have I promoted anything which is not very helpful to humanity?
Exactly.
And so if you want to pump and dump it, that's your problem. It's not mine. A Bitcoin as something that you can transfer money quickly, then Ethereum. If it's something that you want privacy, and then it's Monero. So see, cryptocurrencies are not just all one thing. They all have a different use. So Monero for privacy, Bitcoin
right.
for store of value, Ethereum for ease of use, low transaction fees. So every one of them is equally as important.
Anything you want to say for those who want to start or start engaging cryptocurrency, especially in our country, in the Philippines? Like there's so many newbies who want to engage in this technology.
Well, I would first look at why do you want to be involved? If you want to be involved because the currency is going to change your life, then that's one thing. Use the currency for what it is intended for. If you're looking at it for an investment, then I can't help you. That's gambling.
Thank you very much, John. Nice to meet you.
Are you feeling great, my friend?
Awesome.